nerve is, it go like this.
I go like this.
You're going into it like this.
Okay.
And you're pushing it, and then the nerve's gonna have to floss around your finger.
How cool.
Mm-hmm. Right here is the NBS underneath, and it feels like it feels like half of
Yeah.
pinky, and then if you follow it out, it's coming out this way. So it's kind of like this half concave going up, and so you just come underneath it, and you can just push it down, and right in here it kind of feels like. So first, just palpate it. A little softer with your hands. And just trace it out laterally. You feeling it?
Mm-hmm. I feel like I'm under it and pushing it up.
That way. Yes. Good. A little softer with your hands and with your bow.
Up here it feels more stuck.
Are you medial or lateral?
I'm on the lateral side bowing it medially.
On the lateral side, bowing it medially.
I'm on top of it bowing it.
Okay, it's going lateral side.
No, I meant I'm on top of it, not below it.
You're on top of it, bowing it down.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it feels a little stuck right there. Then it doesn't feel stuck, and then it feels stuck again in here. And there. If you bow it that way.
That?
And then, let me see, where's your finger? Do you feel this?
Mm-hmm.
Are you feeling it slide in, lengthen?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So let's just see on the other side. Find that other spot you found. And then see it. Let's see how much it pulls.
It's pulling.
It is pulling. Lean into it.
Oh, I didn't know I was treating it.
Well, I mean,
Yeah. Oh, fold over it. Let me set up better. Mm-hmm.
more lean into it. Feels good.
Felt that.
Did you feel it?
Yep.
Let me check it.
The tone feels softer, just right away.
Mm-hmm. Good job observing that. It's less
It
sensitive.
feels way like, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It feels a lot, not as much pushback as before.
Love it.
That's cool. I like treating that. You can
It's
really like
fun
get
to
under
treat.
that.
It's fun to treat.
Because it's
and
bigger.
It's easy, yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of like the sciatic nerve, how like thick it is.
You want like Kasey in here and
Yeah.
feel something?
Yeah.
What was this side?
And what, are you just treating this off of palpation, or is there also symptoms that kind of correlate with this?
Well, Ellie was in today, so she had pec stuff, so I just,
Right.
if they have symptoms right in that spot.
Yeah.
Or just if I'm looking at their posture and it's kind of rounded forward, I might check it.
Gotcha.
So here is NVS, and then I'm getting underneath it and I'm bowing it down. Right there.
Second rib?
What?
Second or third rib?
Put your finger right here. Feel this thing? It's kind of sticking up like a half concave, like my pinky, but you can only get to the top half of it. Your hands aren't cold.
They are?
No.
No, but I just don't feel right now because I just washed them.
Got it. Weird.
I am weird. This thingy?
Yeah.
I feel more over here. I'm like rolling over it right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
PS. This is why I want to roll over here. So this is like the pec, right? This is the pec muscle.
Peg major's on top of everything.
Right, so this is pec major.
So underneath it is
Minor.
NVS.
So
It's underneath pec minor too, yeah.
So this is still NVS right here on my thumb.
I think so. Yes.
And then when I come over this lip, now I'm into pec minor area. So when you do NVS at pec minor, you're coming into this junction.
Well, pec minor technically it attaches to the coracoid. So if you feel the tendon of pec minor here, and it comes down over this, and it's like a teardrop. So I'm trying to feel for the borders of pec minor. It's a smaller muscle. It's underneath pec major. If I find the bony protuberance of the coracoid that sticks up like this, and then pec minor comes off of that and attaches.
This is the tendon.
Yes.
Am I on it?
I can't tell. I think so. Yes.
Yeah.
You felt the bone?
Yeah.
And how would you treat this? If I'm at
So if
this.
you put your thumb, I'm moving over. If you put your thumb over there, James you're gonna stay over here. You stay over here. Shooting NBS?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come over here.
Come back by
And so I just did this for James and he treated it successfully, but James can take this. So you're gonna get behind it and bow it down.
Go ahead, James.
More into bow it down. You're compressing it.
Come back.
I felt a lot of compression and not as much bowing.
Okay, because that's why I'm getting confused.
Like
Because I'm
running-
assuming I'm
Go
going that way because the nerve is that way, so I'm going
You
that
want
way.
to go perpendicular to it. So if the nerve is go like this,
I go like this.
you're going into it like this.
Okay.
And you're pushing it, and then the nerve's gonna have to floss around your finger.
How cool.
Mm-hmm. More into it. There you go. Mm-hmm.
Well, it went over me.
Did it?
Yeah. I guess keep it going because he
Now
likes
come
it.
back. I lost it.
He's like, did it? No, keep it going. Yeah, I rolled right over it.
Don't let it come. You're pinning it back.
That way.
Yeah. Well, I mean, depending on where you are on the curve, could be that way, could be that way, could be that way, or that way, or that way. Get under it on this side. Here.
He's yelling at me.
Yes.
I can see it.
Yeah. Nudge into it a little more. Nudge in. Yes. More.
Okay, I understand now.
There you go. There you go.
If you'd like to see more about how we fix chronic pain at Barefoot Rehab in New Jersey and with Adhesion Release Methods across the world, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos that we will be releasing each week.